Okay, so we've got a bunch of Xbox controllers here, and not sure how interesting this is going to be, but we'll see. Basically, I'm told they all don't power up. So first thing to do is to put some fresh batteries in them, and we'll see what happens. Let's see if we can replicate the fault. Okay. Actually, I'll have a quick look in the see what the contacts look like. All looks pretty clean actually. So here we go. Absolutely nothing. Okay, let's have a little look in here. I'll roll them around a little bit in there. Let's try again. Yep, sure enough, absolutely nothing. I have to say, actually, looking down the end of these contacts inside here, they look really corroded. So I'm guessing that's our culprit, possibly. Unfortunately, I can't probe down there to measure anything, but that's looking like a very good contender, I think. So I think I'll try and clean those up and see what we get from there. I think we might be getting somewhere. Okay, I think they're looking a little bit better. I've been scrubbing away at them for a while. So let's pop the batteries back in. There we go. Moment of truth. There we have it. I think we do have a working controller. So it's pretty grimy, mind you, so I think I'm going to clean all the buttons and everything up at the same time. And then we'll do the same to the other controllers, and hopefully that's all it is. In case you're wondering, this is quite an abrasive little brush, but it's just long enough to go down into the hole with a little bit of isopropyl. Sometimes you need something a little stronger to shift the rust, but that worked quite well. So I'm just going to give this a little bit of a clean up. This is quite safe, this stuff. It's anti-static. It's quite safe to use on electronics. I mean, I wouldn't make a point of spraying it into boards, but it's quite safe to do this. There's nooks and crannies. Okay, looking good as new. Awesome. Have to say I'm ever so slightly disappointed really. I was hoping to go inside it. I've never actually taken one apart, so I'm sure it's pretty standard stuff though. But we'll continue to work our way through these and see. They don't look as bad in this one, but we'll see. So I'll work my way through them and we'll see at the end. Okay. Right, so there we have it. Shiny. So yeah, basically they were all the same, all just switch contacts, battery contacts, corroded, quick clean, and they're good to go. I mean, this is the thing, your typical AA battery, if you're going to leave them for any length of time, you really should remove the batteries, because it's more a case that they will leak, not, you know, might they leak, they will leak. So but yeah, there you go. It's one of the most common issues in with battery operated instruments, but luckily that's all it was. So there we go. Thank you for watching.